we have to be very serious because in the past I've introduced a lot of different cards from the like Dragon Ball series, from different animations and everything, but today we are going to introduce the holy grail of Pokemon card. Not these Pikachus right now, okay, not the birthday Pikachus, but this one. Okay, this one is actually the Pokemon Illustrator, which is produced and printed in the 1998, okay, which is a Japanese promo Pikachu Holo Illustrator. Okay, this one is very famous if you actually collect Pokemon cards because of its rarity and scarcity. Okay, for this one, only around 30 plus copies were actually printed during that period of time, and it was you could say that it was actually a trophy or a prize for the people who actually won in the competition contest, like the art contest during that period of time. And I would say, why is this card so expensive and so rare is that you cannot actually acquire from any other route or any other ways except from participating into competition during that period of time. And of course you have to win. Okay, so that is a very hard thing to actually acquire during that period of time, especially in 1998 when everybody, I think most of the people here collecting cards are actually kids. Okay, so this one here is no other fan cards but the real thing, and it has already PSA graded. Okay, it has actually graded a 9. Okay, but I actually covered every information because you know there's a lot of fake cards around the industry right now. So this is a protection, and I would say this card is really beautiful in many ways. The holo is special. You can see a pen, okay, an ink pen at the bottom, and the double star rarity. Okay, double star rarity is actually a very iconic thing in Pokemon because you rarely get this logo in ordinary cards. And you can see the Pikachu and everything. It's really detailed. Seems 3D, especially for the frame. You can see from here. Okay. Of course, for the cards, okay, now produced it, you can see some 3D elements inside. But this one is one of the first cards in Pokemon that actually created this frame to make the card look 3D and everything. Okay, and everybody is most interested is what's the price right now. Okay, for my information, I've obtained it from a Japanese auction house. I think back in back in 2018 or something. The auction price was approximately 700,000 Hong Kong dollars. Okay, that's approximately about, I would say, is 10,000, not 10,000, 100,000. Okay, 100,000 US dollars. Okay, crazy, right? Yeah, crazy. Okay, and I think this is the most expensive Pokemon cards you can actually get, and the 9 is the most highest grade you could also get. Okay, so I think there's only a couple who actually got this grade, so this is a very rare card to get. Okay, and I'm very honorable to be able to share this to everybody here around the world and around YouTube. Okay, so I will keep on sharing some very rare cards. Okay, this one will be a Pokemon. Later on, maybe we go for Yu-Gi-Oh or go for Dragon Ball and some other, maybe like for banknotes of Hong Kong and everything. Okay, so if you're interested in collecting, and if you're interested in any ways, or maybe you want to ask a price, or you have some Pokemon cards you want to sell, okay, and then you can sell to me or something, okay, just go to the link below. I will introduce my Facebook page and also my Twitter and also my phone number. Okay, so you can actually dial and call me anytime. Okay, so I'm Anthony again, and then we are Collective Memories. Okay, if you want to have more information about the card and everything, okay, feel free to find me. Okay, I will be around to answer questions. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and please subscribe and share. Thank you.